darker green. Go in, water's a bit watery. I'll add a bit more paint. And just do swirling motion. And add the detail. A little bit on the rocks. I'm using a yellow ochre. It makes a bit thicker. And now I think I want to do some detail with a pen, so I'm going to see if I packed my pen in my wet bag. If I didn't, it's okay. Oh, no, I didn't. That's fine. I'm going to do detail with a brush. Kind of an edged brush. There we go. So you can see the detail coming in with just swirling motions. Just an impression while on the board. Listening to the beautiful birds and the calm of the water this morning. It's so calm. I might do some serrated. So this brush doesn't have water in it, but I can dip it in the lake. And I'm going to add some of the twigs and branches. I don't want to have a photographic image of this view. All I'm looking for is an impression. And then when I go back to the studio, I can add some more detail. So I'm going to pack my stuff away, and then you can see the transition from painting to standing up on the paddle. Let's have a look. Hopefully I don't fall down for you guys. I'm going to tuck that in, paddle out, so not to block you. Yeah. You could even do a bit of yoga if you want to. And off we go, paddling into the horizon.